Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the right signals. Enable YouTube Analytics and link your Google account so data flows. Next, choose metrics that match your goal: views for reach, watch time for engagement, CTR for thumbnails. Once done, export CSVs or connect BigQuery to get full event-level data. Do this now so you can analyze consistently. Having raw export saves time and avoids sampling. Make sure timestamps and time zone settings are correct before moving to cleaning and analysis. Now you transform and analyze. Clean timestamps, normalize video titles, and filter bot or spam views to avoid bias. Then aggregate by day, by video, or by cohort to reveal trends. Calculate % retention and watch time per view to compare performance. Once aggregated, join in metadata like tags, category, or thumbnail variant so you can segment results by creative choices. Use moving averages to smooth spikes and confirm patterns before you commit to content changes or /B tests. Finally, act on insights. Prioritize thumbnail and hook tests and adjust video length based on retention curves. Run controlled experiments and measure lift against a baseline so you learn what truly moves metrics. Once you implement changes, keep a dashboard to monitor impact and iterate weekly. If something breaks or data gaps appear, first recheck account permissions, export settings, and filter rules. Often missing rows come from sampling or misaligned time zones, so correct those and rerun the analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.